Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Big Dummy in Kentucky. Hey, Big Dummy, I got you ready to go here. Just basic tune and alignment. We'll start the RF power all the way down, 50-watt slug. There's your 2 watts all the way down. And let me go ahead and show you a 100-watt scale. Hello. Swings 90 watts from 2 watts. Roll it all the way up. There's 22. Show you average power swing. Look at that forward bird. Bird is the word. 40 bird. 100-watt slug and peak. Hello. There's that 90 watts again. Alright, Big Dummy, this thing is ready to go, man. Appreciate it very much, my friend. I'm your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com.